In this presentation, I will teach you 3 types of essential oils that you can use to boost your immune system and prevent illnesses. Oils can be used differently, and today we will give you a few recommendations on how to use them. That said, do not place the pure oil directly on the skin as it can irritate it. If you want to apply it on the skin, it is better to mix it with a base oil like jojoba or grapeseed oil. The 3 oils that we will explore today are lavender, eucalyptus, and tea tree oils. Lavender. Lavender is a very gentle oil, but very powerful at the same time. You can use it in a diffuser to help kill allergens in the air and bring a fresh scent to your home. It will also help you relax. It is a known fact that stress is a significant factor in disturbing our immune system health. Sleep is also essential to fight off infection and illnesses. Place a drop of lavender oil on your pillow to improve your sleep. Finally, lavender is a powerful oil in which antioxidants help the body protect the cells from toxins. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is known to help to fight the common cold and respiratory issues. You can use it in a diffuser to help clear the breathing airways, or you can also add a couple of drops to your bath water. This oil is also a great antibacterial, antiviral, and antiseptic. Eucalyptus oil is also known to stimulate the immune system. Although, like many oils, you have to be careful about how to use them. In this case, eucalyptus oil is not recommended for infants and pregnant women. Tea tree. Tea tree is a great oil that does so many things. It's an antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal. There are different ways to use this oil. For example, you can place it directly on a wound to avoid infection, but make sure to mix it with a base oil before applying it. It is also an excellent oil for house cleaning. Mix it with baking soda and sprinkle on your carpet. Leave it on for a few minutes and then vacuum to remove allergens. Essential oils are a wonderful addition to your immune system. Always make sure to research the oil that you will utilize to ensure its safe use.